Well, welcome back. We're going to do another super clean test. This is my rolling cart, and as you can see, it's pretty gross with oil and carbon. And well, just to be frank, I didn't take care of this cart like I should have. When we do teardowns, I like to put all my parts in here so that way, one, nothing gets lost, two, everything's organized, and when you put things back together, it's a much easier process for you. If you don't have a cart, I'd recommend get one. I mean, you can get these things for anywhere from about 30 to 50 bucks at Harbor Freight. So alright, we're using our 2-to-1 concentrate. I think what I'm going to do first, I'm going to wipe it down, get the main chunkies up. Oh, I think the oil in here had some Lucas in it.
Just like the bed of my truck?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. This should be interesting. Now, we've been testing Super Clean off camera for about a month. They want us to try to use it, see if it's better than Simple Green, brake cleaner, all that good stuff. And so far, besides don't use it with cut fingers, it's doing its job.
Yeah, it burns a little bit when you have cut fingers.
And it doesn't smell bad either. You know, one thing when you're using chloroform or chlorine-based brake cleaner, it definitely gets to you after a while.
I mean, look at that, with just one wipe down, didn't even let it soak.
And with a dirty rag.
And with a dirty rag.
Okay, now, soak it again. And get some clean rags.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't think Simple Green would have done that well. They would have took a lot of it. Nothing worse than trying to work in a cart that's dirty. You end up transferring dirt and you're doing certain repairs. That could be a bad day. Alright, last rag and this thing's done. Look at that, quick, easy, dirty in a hurry. Alright, as you've seen there, no edit. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. This is 2-to-1, so basically 2 parts to 1 part water, or 50% mix, however you want to call it. But as you can see, it doesn't smell, got the job done, cart's clean again, and we can get back to work.
Something that I noticed, the aerosol is a lot better than the actual spray, the mix. Why, I don't know. The mix works great. The 2-to-1 ratio works great, but for whatever reason, the aerosol can of Super Clean does work better. Super Clean, if you can do something about that, or figure out why your aerosol can is better than when you do your 2-to-1 ratio.
Might be because there's pressure behind it. It can actually get in there where this, you know, your pressure is dependent on your bottle. And, I mean, this only can produce so much pressure. Yeah, the other note is this stuff's hard to find. I can't find it at Walmart, can't find it at O'Reilly's, and they sent this to us. So we're using this sparingly. This stuff does work a little bit better in certain situations, but I'm really digging the concentrate 50 mix, 50% Super Clean, 50% water. So, well, there's another test. It works. Give it a try. All right, thanks for watching.